Hello and welcome to TechWiki channel. This is Ahmed. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix corrupted OBS file. As you can see, this is the corrupted file. It will show properly on my player, but if I drag it in the project, it says it's corrupted. How to fix this problem? OBS has a built-in feature that you can find it in File. Just click on the file, Remix Recordings, and here OBS Recording, find the file that corrupted, select it and click on Open. And just hit the remix. Recording remixed. And now, as you can see, if I drag and drop this file to Premiere, it will work very good. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you don't like it, you know what to do, hit the dislike button. And don't forget to subscribe.